turning 2D floor plans into 3D axonometrics with ARKAVI. Let's walk through this workflow step by step. First, head to the ARKAVI website. Draw your functional layout on a blank plan sketch. Open AI Edit and select All-in-One Edit. Upload your drawing. Then pick the AI channel. Quick tip: choose the GPT channel for higher precision. Set your target canvas resolution. Paste this prompt to generate a graphic floor plan. Convert this layout into a detailed colored floor plan with complete furniture and spatial programming. Hit generate, and you will get a finished colored floor plan. You can also experiment with different visual styles for your plan. Now let's turn this 2D drawing into 3D. Stay inside the same tool. Upload your new colored floor plan. Configure your preferred parameters. Then enter this prompt. Turn this image into an axonometric drawing. Click Generate, and your axonometric view is ready. Swap the prompt, and you can create an exploded axonometric with furniture and floor layers separated. Want to boost realism? Switch to accurate rendering, then select aerial rendering. Upload images and select the original image perspective. Pick your base view angle and adjust image control strength. You will receive a photorealistic axonometric render. Wondering how to adjust time of day, seasons, and lighting atmosphere? Go to Atmosphere, change to Lighting switch. Upload your axonometric render and open angle selection. Here you can freely tweak your preferred viewing angle. Confirm your settings and generate. Now you can create renders with different times of day and seasonal moods. Pretty powerful workflow, right? Like this video, comment, continue, and subscribe. In the next episode we'll cover how to transform axonometric drawings into unique interior architectural renderings.